In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a new playlist on Spotify. Creating new playlists on Spotify is essential for personalizing your music experience, discovering new songs and artists, organizing your music library, and sharing music with friends. It enriches your listening experience, fosters discovery, and enables meaningful musical connections. To do this, simply head into your Spotify. On this page, you will have to tap right here on your library. In this section, tap on this plus icon on your upper right corner of the screen. You will see this option of playlist. Head into it and give your playlist a name. Tap on create and your playlist will get created successfully. You can just tap right here to add some music to your playlist list. That's how easy it is to create Spotify playlists. You can create, delete, or recover any playlist at any time. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.